What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to talk about rational exponent with a to the power of m over n. In the previous videos we found that how to convert roots to a to the power of 1 over n, but this time is a little bit different, which is a to the power of m over n. So when we have a to the power of m over n, it means that we can separate these two to 1 over n times m. So the product of m times m and 1 over n, then you can convert it to nth root of a to the power of m. Let's see some example. We had cube root of x before, and you saw it when you want to convert it to exponents. It's going to be x to the power of 1/3. If you have the same thing, cube root of x to the power of 2, that's going to make it x to the power of 1 over 3 to the power of 2, which will be x to the power of 2 over 3. Let's see another example. Fourth root of x to the power of 3. In this case, the answer will be x to the power of 1 over 4 to the power of 3. That makes it x to the power of 3 over 4. And that's going to be the final answer. Next example. Somebody asks you to evaluate 9 to the power of 3 over 2. Answer is 9 to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of 3, which will be square root of 9 to the power of 3. Square root of 9 is 3, so 3 to the power of 3 will be 27. 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. Next example, we have 125 to the power of 2 over 3. Answer is 125 is 5 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 over 3. So it will be 5 to the power of 3 times 2 over 3. When you multiply these exponents, it's going to be just 2, because 3 and 3 cancel out. It's going to be 5 squared. It's going to be 25. Next example will be 81 to the power of 3 over 4. Answer will be 81 is 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 3 over 4. It's going to be 3 to the power of 4 times 3 over 4. 4 and 4 cancel out. It's going to be 3 to the power of 3. 3 times 3 times 3 is going to be 27. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding math and science, and you can find plenty of playlists, and each playlist has lots of other videos in different topics in math. Thank you and have a great day.